One-on-one text and video chats are possible, as well as group chats where numerous users can chat together. Telegram has advanced to allow users to build groups and channels that they can make public or private to a chosen number of users. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create group in Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on New Group from the panel. Tap on People you want to create group of. Tap on arrow icon at the bottom left corner. Create a group name. Tap on tick icon at the bottom right of your screen. There you go. The simple steps will show you how to create group in Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.